friends, today we will read a wonderful story, Mimi the Selfish Kitten. So let's begin our reading journey. Mimi is a very selfish kitten. She likes to keep her toys all to herself. She doesn't like to share her fish snacks. Mimi's balls belong to Mimi and no one else can touch it. Her friends ask her if they can all play with the ball. No, says Mimi, it's mine. One of her friends has a secret hiding place. We can all share my secret place after the game. No, Mimi says again. She won't share her ball for anything. Her friends get tired of asking her to play. They can have fun playing with her. Mimi is so selfish, they say. They walk away and leave Mimi on her own. Mimi is all by herself. It's fun to play alone, she says. Mimi sticks the ball high up into the air. She can do exactly what she wants. It's her ball. Oops! The ball hits a big black crow. Hey, watch! What are you doing? He shouts angrily. Some of his feathers fluttered to the ground. Mimi is frightened when the angry crow shouts at her. She runs off to hide behind a tree. Mimi hides there for a while. She could play hide and seek if she had someone to play with. But you can't play hide and seek on your own. Mimi likes climbing trees, but it's not as much as by herself. What about some food? Mimi has lots of snacks all of her own. She starts to eat, but she doesn't feel very hungry. Anyway, the food doesn't taste as nice when there was no one to share with. Mimi looks around her. Everyone she sees is having fun playing with a friend. Mimi is alone. Now she wishes she had her friends to play with, but they are now here to be seen. Where have they gone? She wonders. Mimi looks for her friends in the woods. She can't see them anywhere. She sees an army of ants marching past. There are lots of them, all in a line when are helping each other. How nice to have so many friends, thinks Mimi. She's all alone. Mimi wonders where her friends could be. Perhaps they were on the roof enjoying the view. She jumps up to the roof to see. Her friends aren't on the roof, but Mimi finds some dragonflies with big round eyes. Do you know where my friends are? She asked. Yes, we do. They buzz at her. Where are they? In the woods, they reply. But I didn't see them there, Mimi cries. Mimi hurries back to the woods of another look. Maybe they are finding from her. Are you there? She calls. Please don't hide. I am lonely on my own. I want to play with you all. Can you see where Mimi's friends are hiding? Suddenly, they all jump out. They leap and run around her. Mimi is please She tells them, I'm sorry, I was so selfish. It's no fun being on my own. It's much more fun to play with you. The kittens are all playing with Mimi's balls. They jump and down, jump up and down. After bouncing ball, they laugh and purr. They have fun. Mimi is happy. Now she has her friends to play with. She isn't a selfish kitten anymore. So friends, look at the pictures. There are 10 differences. Can you circle them? Yes. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.